resources? Rizwana Pervin,
Yes, ma'am.
you please answer, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Environmental education is important only at primary school stage, secondary school stage, college stage, all stages.
All stages, ma'am.
The atmosphere extends up to a height of about 10,000 kilometers. It is divided into the following four thermal layers: mesosphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, troposphere. What is the correct sequence of these layers?
Thermosphere, mesosphere,
Here option is given. Please read here.
thermosphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere.
No. Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere. Actually, there is a clue. You can memorize this. TSM, the troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, exosphere, otherwise called ionosphere. Okay, next question. Which of the following is an example of impact of development activities on the hydrosphere? Air pollution, soil erosion, water pollution.
Water pollution.
Weather occurs in the earth in which layer? Troposphere, mesosphere, ionosphere, thermosphere.
Troposphere.
The term environment is derived from which term? Greek, Latin, French, Sanskrit.
French.
Actually, the word environ means surrounding. Then, dash environment refers to the immediate local surrounding of the organism. Macro, micro, physical, biotic.
Micro.
Dash is the center of nebula. Moon, Earth, Sun, none of these.
Sun.
The main greenhouse gas dash is absorbed by the tree. Carbon dioxide, nitrogen, oxygen, none of this.
Carbon dioxide.
Which lakes have more nutrients and are more turbid and support more life? Oligotrophic, eutrophic, dystrophic, none of these.
Eutrophic.
The World Food Day is celebrated on which day? 13th of October, 16th of October, 23rd of October, 26th of October.
16th of October.
Which of the following is non-renewable resource? Coal, petroleum, natural gas, all the above.
Petroleum.
The acid mine contaminates with nearby streams or lakes which cause dangerous effect to dash life. Aquatic, air, minerals, land, aquatic.
Aquatic.
Dash mineral can be extracted and used for manufacture. Ore, iron, aluminium, copper.
Ore.
Dash resources are actually we should not use as. Dash resources are called identified resources. Identified, undiscovered, discovered, resource.
Resource.
Once again, unidentified resource. Okay. Generation of energy is dash. Iron, copper, lignite, uranium.
Lignite.
Which evidence did mineral resources are through? Zoologically, geographically, biologically, socially.
Geographically.
Geographically. Environmental damage caused by overexploitation is small, large, less, heavy.
Heavy.
Land covers only dash percentage of the earth's surface. 29, 25, 30, 35.
30.
The total percentage of Land of world under forest is 26, 31, 36, 41.
31.
Once again repeat.
31.
31. Yes. Fresh water accounts for only dash percentage. 1.7, 2.7, 3.7, 4.7, 2.7.
2.7.
Sorry, I told the answer, okay. Layer in which temperature is increased with an increase in altitude is which layer? Troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere.
Thermosphere.
Coldest layer of the atmosphere is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere.
Mesosphere.
The layer which protects the earth from harmful rays of sun is troposphere, ozone, mesosphere, thermosphere.
Ozone.
A layer which extends up to 2,900 kilometers is core, crust, mantle, ozone.
Mantle.
Actually, crust is the outer layer, mantle the middle layer, core is the inner layer. Middle layer of atmosphere is called troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere.
Mesosphere.
The height of mesosphere, which lies after troposphere, is 70 to 75 kilometer, 75 to 80 kilometer, 80 to 85 kilometer, 85 to 90 kilometer.
80 to 85 kilometers.
The second highest layer of Earth's atmosphere is stratosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, thermosphere.
Stratosphere.
The introduction of chemicals into atmosphere is known as air pollution, radioactive pollution, atmospheric pollution, dense pollution.
Air pollution.
Troposphere layer of atmosphere extends from Earth to how many kilometer? 18 kilometer, 16 kilometer, 15 kilometer, 12 kilometer.
12 kilometers.
If you move vertically from the ground of the earth means we can just touch the cloud after 10 kilometer. The upper part of the thermosphere consists of troposphere, ionosphere, lithosphere, hydrosphere.
Ionosphere.
The movement of air through troposphere of the atmosphere on a large scale is known as infrared circulation, radioactive circulation, sound circulation, atmospheric circulation.
Atmospheric circulation.
The atmospheric density decreases with the increase in longitude, decrease in altitude, increase in altitude, increase in latitude.
Increase in altitude.
Troposphere is bounded by boundary, which is also known as thermopass, stratopass, tropopass, mesopass.
Tropopass.
Layer of atmosphere which separates stratosphere and troposphere is known as tropopass, mesopass, thermopass, stratopass.
Tropopass.
Actually, pass lies between two layers. Chlorofluorocarbons, CFH, are primarily used as refrigerants, fuels of cracks, repairers of ozone layer, repairers of troposphere.
Refrigerants.
Ozone layer is a part of mesosphere, stratosphere, thermosphere, troposphere.
Stratosphere.
Layer of atmosphere which is accessed by jet powered aircraft is thermopass, stratopass, tropopass, mesopass.
Stratopass.
Which is not the part of greenhouse gases among the following: carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, oxygen.
Oxygen.
The outermost layer of Earth's atmosphere is troposphere, exosphere, thermosphere, mesosphere.
Exosphere.
Exosphere is also called ionosphere. And the second lowest layer of Earth's atmosphere is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere.
Stratosphere.
The layer mesosphere is used by sounding rockets, aircrafts, space stations, satellites.
Sounding rockets.
The layer, the height of exosphere is 5,000 to 10,000 kilometer, 3,000 to 10,000 kilometer, 1,000 to 10,000 kilometer, 700 to 10,000 kilometer.
7,000 to 10.
700 to
700 to 10,000 kilometer.
Yes. The height of stratosphere layer above sea level of mesosphere runs from 65 to 55 kilometer, 70 to 55 kilometer, 50 to 55 kilometer, 60 to 55. Typing errata. 60 to 65 kilometer.
50 to 55 kilometer.
One second, ma. One second. 65 to 75 kilometer, 75 to 75 kilometer, 50 to 55 kilometer, 60 to 65 kilometer.
50 to 55 kilometer.
Yes. The percentage of oxygen in atmosphere of Earth is 0.2294, 0.2594, 0.2394, 0.2094.
0.2094.
Yes. Ionosphere layer of atmosphere is part of the thermosphere, mesosphere, troposphere, exosphere.
Thermosphere.
Third largest layer of Earth's atmosphere is troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, ionosphere.
Mesosphere.
Layer of Earth's atmosphere which is used by International Space Station is known as stratosphere, thermosphere, troposphere, hydrosphere.
Thermosphere.
Chlorofluorocarbons CFHs are replacing with less harmful compounds such as hydrocarbons, hydrofluorocarbons, difluoromethane, difluoroethane.
Difluoromethane.
Very good. Atmosphere of Earth becomes thinner and thinner with increase in altitude, increase in latitude, increase in longitude, decrease in altitude.
Increase in altitude.
The ocean covers percentage. The ocean covers dash percentage of Earth's surface 55, 71, 64, 61.
71.
The process of removal or elimination of forest resources is social forestry, agroforestry, deforestation, or forestation.
Deforestation.
Yes. Making of forest is afforestation, destruction, deforestation. One of the major causes for deforestation is forest fires, use of wood to be discouraged, planting new trees, planting new trees, forest pets can be controlled.
Forest fires.
Yes. Which gas is likely to be reduced in the atmosphere by deforestation? Carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur dioxide.
Oxygen.
Which of the following is the most responsible for water crisis? Dams, floods, drought, population growth.
Drought.
Deforestation generally decreases global warming, drought, soil erosion, rainfall. The renewable source of energy is petroleum, coal, nuclear fuel, trees. The major energy source for the environment is solar energy, chemical energy, electrical energy, mechanical energy.
Solar energy.
Major consumer of wood from forest is thermal power plant, paper industry, chemical industry, none.
Paper industry.
Paper industry. A non-renewable source of energy is water, forest, fossil fuels, none.
Fossil fuels.
அப்படி படிமமா கிடைக்கிறது அதான் fossil fuel. Dash means To surround in French. Environ, environen, environia.
Environment.
Yes. Remaining questions we shall watch in the next video. Thank you, Rizwana Pavan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Pavan.